You started with workers' comp. So obviously, if you're solo and you don't have any employees, you're not worried about that yet. It's when you get that first employee that you actually are legally required to have it. It's not optional.
Correct. Yeah. And it's no fault. All the carriers, it's the same coverage from carrier to carrier. The pricing will be different from carrier to carrier, but the coverage will be the exact same since it's compulsory coverage.
Because it's specified by state law what you have to have, and they all cover the same exact stuff.
Exactly. They'll cover funeral expenses. I mean, not to get too deep or
Right.
dark. They'll cover long-term disability. It's very vast and broad coverage. It's fraught with a little bit of fraud, and we can touch on that in a little bit. But for the most part, these carriers do a phenomenal job of making sure what they want to do is get your worker back to work.
Sure.
They don't want to turn it into a long-term care situation.
Right.
Some injuries get into that. I mean, construction workers, falling off of a bridge or something, you're permanent. You can't go back to work.
Right.
But you can be rehabbed into potentially finding employment in another industry or line of work. So.
Yeah, or a different job within the same company. But
correct. Great point. Yeah. Well, you're speaking my language. That's exactly right. Yeah.
Well, and I do know that it's not just about, oh, I was injured, give me some money. It is really about getting that employee what they need. And whether that's physical therapy, or one of my sons had a, what do you call that? A repetitive use injury?
Oh, yeah, carpal tunnel or something.
Which was, his was technically tennis elbow.
Okay.
But anyway, not from playing tennis, from actually sitting at his desk and working too much. And he got all kinds of stuff. He got an ergonomic specialist to come out and do all the things. He got physical therapy, he got acupuncture, all the things. And he's gradually getting better, if anybody cares. But anyway, it's amazing what that covers. But it's understandable when you get what the purpose of it is.
No, and that's the whole point. They have access to all kinds of facilities and trainers. The other aspect of workers' comp is that they're not going to cover your whole salary. It's only going to be 2/3 because they want to give you incentive to get that employee back to work.
Right. Which is what you would get if you went on state disability.
Exactly.
You're not going to get your full salary. You get like 2/3.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And the other thing about workers' comp, from the business owner's perspective, what a great solution for us. You're paying a premium and your employee cannot sue you.
That's exactly right. There are.
There's exceptions.
Well, in everything in life, particularly insurance, I know in legal too, there are third-party over claims where if, say, your employee gets injured, but because of the actions of another company or business,
right,
then your employee could go after that business, and that's where the employer's liability comes in. They're rare claims, and they're really hard to be successful in. Those are my worst claims, though. My nastiest, most expensive claims. I do claims reviews as part of what we do because we want those claims closed. The short story for one of those claims closed is the longer the carrier has that claim file open, the more expensive it becomes, and then that will drive your premium up.
Right.